Hey people, what's up? Welcome once again in Programmatic YouTube channel. So in this video you are going to learn about creating a table in HTML. So if you have some data and it can be categorized in some parts, then it is called tabular data and we can write all this in a table. So tables are basically nothing. Basically it is some combination of some rows and some columns. For creating a table, first of all we have to know the tags of a table. So to write a table, first of all we have to write this tag table, and as we have started we must have to close this. Here I am closing this, closing tag table. So within this table we must have to write another tags. So what are those tags? That tags are tr. Tr means this tag defines the table row, and th, that tag defines table header, and td, this tag defines table data or the cell value. So right now I am going to make a table. So for that, first of all we have to create a row which is tr, and as we have created tr, then we must have to close this tr. So right now we have to write all the elements or all the headers which is in this row. So first of all we are creating a heading, table heading. For that table header we have to use th, and then suppose I am writing here, suppose I am writing Asian countries, and then we have to close this th tag, and I am going to copy and paste this. Here suppose I am writing European countries, and then the next line suppose I am writing African countries. So all these lines will be displayed as table heading, and then this row has been completed. Now for the next row we have to use table row once again. So here I have to start tr tag once again. I have not closed this tr. Here I am going to close this tr, and then I have to write datas. So in Asian countries there are so many of countries. Suppose I am taking this Russia. So for that we have to use table data td, and then suppose here I am taking Russia, and then we are going to close this td. So I am simply gonna copy and simply gonna paste. So td here Russia, and in European countries there are suppose Germany, and in the next suppose I am going to take this name as South Africa. South Africa. So I am going to save this as, and I am going to run this. So you guys can see here, in Asian countries there is Russia, in European countries there is Germany, and African countries there is South Africa. So you guys have understood what is table. So if you want to add another row, then you have to use table row once again. Let's make this. So I have not closed this as there was no table another row. So if you want one more row, then you have to close this and you have to start another row. And here I am simply gonna copy and paste this because we don't have extra time. Here I am just changing the names. In Russia here is suppose I am taking India. In Germany here in Germany we are taking suppose France. Here I am taking suppose Spain, Nigeria. So just simply I am going to save this, and we have to close this tr. So just simply I am gonna save this. So it has been saved. So I am going to refresh this. So you guys can see here in the next row, India, France, Nigeria. So I think you guys have understood what is table and how to create a table in HTML. So I will meet in another video. Till then, goodbye.